If you had one wish or wish list in terms of AI development, what aspect of AI would you want people to work on or get developed, right? Where the larger world can benefit more.
Yeah, I think I feel that AI can have a huge impact on simulations and testing. And I'll give real world examples of this protein folding, drug discovery, and people have shown that it can have huge impact at uh, certain kinds of molecules that attack certain kind of diseases, or to model systems, biological systems in a way that can mimic and shortlist
Hmm.
some of the promising experiments, and then eventually they will go through a clinical trial. So that process can be accelerated, I feel, to some extent. Similarly, I feel that the challenge that is actually facing us head on is climate change, right? So maybe climate modeling, if it becomes easier, at least aspects of it become easier for modeling in terms of prediction, in terms of figuring out the different dynamics. I think that would be like really useful. And anything related to climate change, for example, it could be even like, how do you increase the efficiency of say EV engines? How do you figure out what chemicals to use, what chemistry to use, how to combine chemistry and mechanics together to be able to build better batteries. I think that would be like a AI can actually. I feel that if it can accelerate that scientific discovery, it would be useful, and it's already happening. And last not the least, but material science, which is kind of allied to this. Can we
Hmm.
build better materials, say that work and maybe even monitors? Like variable computing might become more viable, possibly.
Sure.
Can have maybe like smart fabric. People are also talking in about building nanobots that can maybe uh, be ingested just like capsules, and then maybe give you like very very specific personalized dosages. I think so. These are the kinds of things that I'm looking forward to: drug discovery, climate modeling, material science, possibly like maybe nanobots and robotics, which could kind of help us in things that maybe is not the best use of say human endeavor. Like, for example, cleaning sanitary systems, for example, could be something that is could be done by like robots and robotics.
Yeah.
Uh, if there's a fire, can robots go in and be first responders and figure out, through maybe thermal and different kinds of sensors and what the situation is, so that things can become much more safer for firefighters. So those kind of the things I'm like looking for, a combination of robotics and AI, combination of AI and other fields, where because I think innovation will happen at the intersection really, really, really well.